Honey, where are you going? Babe, hey, hey, come here. April, what's going on?
There is a house built out of stone. This is a place where I feel at home.
You're doing what you're meant to do, and I can't be the person that makes you lose what you love.
Yeah, but you're what I love. You're the only reason I have any of this. You believed in me, you supported me, you make me happy. Happier than I ever thought I could be.
And I built a home for you, for me.
Without you, I wouldn't be anything.
It did.
You're what keeps me going.
From me, from you, and now it's time to die.
Babe, I love you.
God, what are you doing
I
here?
just missed you so bad, honey. I bought myself a ticket home. You're never gonna need that computer again.